What up, cyberspace? Zero.style back in the lab this week for a little unboxing video. I've got a package from Zerofeud, and this I've been waiting for. This is going to be the content of my next video, at least a big portion of it. So why don't you come unbox it with me? Come on. Alright, for this unboxing, we're going to use my Damn Designs gin, the full blackwashed titanium edition. Inside, we've got the teal blue ZF cup pouch. Actually, this does not look empty. This doesn't look empty at all. What? This is Pouchception! What? We've got the mini cup pouch, we've got the regular ZF pouch, and then we've got the bigger ZF pouch. Wow, okay. And then we've got a whole pile of beads here. This is like a neon green little nuke bead. Whole bunch of different colors of space eggs. How cool. Back here, looks like we got some stickers. Yep, a couple of ZFs in here. So one of the things I wanted to do was show off the different size options right here between these three pouches. This is the ZF cup in size B. It is 4 inches by 5.5 inches. This is the ZF cup A. It's 3 inches by 4.5 inches. And then this is the 3x4 traditional ZF pouch. I've been carrying these things for a long time. I really dig. There's no organization, it's just a dump pouch. It's great, you can put all kinds of gear in here, a little web field on here, and then some very nice nylon on the back. For the ZF cup, these have been my wallet of choice lately. Throw your cards right here in this back pocket, put your REs on the front here. Inside, you've got a few different organizational options here. They got a little stiffness in these ones. They got some kind of backing in between them. The other version, the ripstop, doesn't have. Got a pocket that goes all the way down here, and then another pocket that's half that, and then 2 little split pockets here, and then one big pocket that goes the whole height of the pouch. I've actually not seen one of these larger ones yet. Very similar setup here. Except for on the inside, we've got 2 divider pockets here, and then 1 big pocket behind that. And on this side, we've got 2 behind dividers and then 2 in front dividers. Interesting little addition. I'm gonna have to try and pack this thing out and see what I think. So here are 3 different Zerofeud teal pouches. All right, back to the bag. Whoa! This is a larger size than the other ZF pouches. And of course, we've got some Desert Warrior camo here with the sprinkles, and then some tactical brown on the back side. Very cool. Of course, we've got a smaller size version of that. The regular traditional size, same brown on the back. Hilarious sprinkle print fabric. Oh, look at the logo here on this. A little bit different. What's next in the other thing that I actually ordered? But I didn't order the size B. This is another big one. Oh my goodness, Rick. And on the inside, we got more again. Dude, you overdid yourself, buddy. So here is the Zerofeud cup in size B, the Zerofeud pouch, traditional size, and the new ZF cup in the smaller A size. All of these in a beautiful gold color for the Pittsburgher in all of us. As you can see here, yeah, once again, hear that? grab one of my gray ones. There's definitely a thicker piece of, I'm not sure if it's plastic or what kind of textile on the inside, but it's definitely giving it some rigidity and strength that the ripstop ones don't have. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that or not. We'll see. These ones are super malleable. It's kind of what I love about them. This ripstop fabric can kind of just go where it needs to go. We shall see how I feel about these. What an awesome mail call from Rick of Zerofeud. I just want to give you a quick preview of what is going down on our next video. We've got 2 different Future Relic Smash Brothers gear Weirdo Warios, and we've got 2 different color coordinated ZF cup pouches. So one of the things I know people are going to ask are going to be what fits in the larger one, since I've only kind of been carrying stuff in these smaller ones. And the knife that everyone is interested in, does it fit, is the Para 3. So I just wanted to give Jens a quick peek and see that, yes indeed, the larger size ZF cup holds a Para 3. Absolutely no problem. But let's just take a look and see what else fits in here. We can do a little baby banter here in this front pocket. This split pocket here in these ones, you can barely, oh, you can in the ripstop. Yeah, you can. You can fit a Kizer feist in here. This knife does not fit in my nylon ones. Yeah, it's very close. But no problems in the larger pouch. Let's see, can we fit a beer bomb here? Absolutely. How about a D4 V2? This is gonna be a stretch. It does fit. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to actually like pouch that, but it does fit. It's a tight fit, and this will loosen up too. This is brand spanking new. As you know, omens fit in this pocket here. I want to see if a toast fits. So close, but not quite. Your AFK and toast and stuff like that. Still got to go on the back split of the park. Damn Designs Gin. It does fit in the split. Very nice, because those don't fit in the split on these ones. They have to go in the back section, but that's okay. Let's see how it looks with a flex. Very, very roomy. A flex fits just right in the top section, the smaller one. Can also fit a beer bomb into the smaller one. Tight with the omen in there though. Mechanic totally fits in there. You can put a flex behind that one. Let's play with this larger one though. Death cookie and a flex. Both fit in the back section here together with a knife in front of them. Not too bad. Might be a little too much to actually carry on a regular basis, but good to know that it fits. Let's see about a Coach Tools Nat. Yes, Natalie fits right in there. That's cool. That's cool. A Nat barely fits in this back pocket here. It takes a lot of space out. These guys are thick. This bigger pouch is definitely going to hold some more stuff too, so very cool. But man, the mail call itself was a lot more than that. A lot more than I expected it to be. And I am super grateful. I'm going to have to do a giveaway for some of these amazing pouches because Rick just outdid himself. I am so pouch rich too. If we want to talk about my whole pouch collection, I mean, I've got them from Coqui Creations, other ZF ones. I've got ones from D3 Supplies. I've got ones from the Wolf Designs. I've got Garage Built Gear. I've got more Zerofeud pouches. And of course, we can't forget about the Data Crew What a Sliders. I mean, I am just like Pouch Boy, 00, #1, OG, #1 in the hood, the best of the best, pouches on pouches on pouches on pouches on pouches. So, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like. It's the free social currency here on YouTube. I will see you soon with another take on this weirdo Wario.